Here we are in the car, and this is where Mitzi feels very, very at ease. Don't you, Mitzi? Mitzi? There, it's all right. It's all right. There. You like being in the car, don't you? It's one place that you know every nook and cranny, don't you? Yes, you happy dog, aren't you? Are you a happy girl? Oh, you are. Yes. There's Mitzi, blind dog. That's it, isn't it? Oh, yes. Good girl. There. Yes, good girl. You know where you are. And there's Barclay. Barclay? No, Barclay's not waking up. Is he, Mitz? No. So it's actually a good idea when she's feeling insecure. I often leave her in the car rather than leaving her at home. I'd rather take her with us and let her be in the car with us.